Hi, what's up everyone? In this video, we are going to talk about the Char best natural gas grill under $500 you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. We all love cooking, but cooking food in a regular kitchen may becoming boring. So, to add some spice to cooking, the grill are the great invention. Going out for a picnic with family and friends and making a great meal outside is one of the most lovable moments that one can imagine. The gas grill makes cooking sexier. Gas grills are easy to operate, but on the same hand, they are a bit expensive. So here we are to provide the details of the top 3 gas grill under $500. This list is based on my personal opinion and researches and listed them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. Number 3. Weber Q1000. Weber Q1000 comes up with the same size and design as Weber Q1200 has. It contains a single burner that is made of stainless steel. It is a compact size grill that produces excellent heating with a power of 8500 BTU per hour heating output, 45 BTU per hour per square inch. It also contains a removable drip pan that helps to catch the grease dripping from your food while grilling. Pros of Weber Q1000. It's easy to maintain. Grease tray included, and stylish design. Cons of Weber Q1000 8500 BTU burner. Number 2. Char broil. Comes up with a fully stainless steel body, includes a top-ported burner, which make it lifelong. Its grease pan is porcelain coated, which means it is easy to clean after cooking it done. It has a 425 square inch grill grate and its flame pot distributes 36,000 BTU of heat across its grill grate. Char broil weight around 90 pounds and its assembling process is a bit complicated. Pros of Char broil: full stainless steel structure, porcelain coated grill grate. Cons of Char broil: only 9,000 BTU from each burner element. Assembling is complicated. Number 1. Weber Spirit 2 E310. It's easy to assemble a product that takes only an hour or maybe less to put together tons of different components. The Weber Spirit 2 E310 comes with a different color option for its hood. It's up to you whether you go for bright red, sapphire hood or classic with black. It has a total cooking area of 529 square inch that can generate about 30,000 BTU per hour input of heat. Components that Weber includes are porcelain enameled, cast iron cooking grate, and stainless steel burner. Pros of Weber Spirit 2 E310. It's easy to assemble. Different color option for hood. 30,000 BTU of heat. So guys, this was the video about the best natural gas grill under $500. All links are given in the description below. Do check them out. If you really enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like today. Thank you so much.